In this video, we'll set the stage for building your first form in Droplet. This is the first in a series of short videos and is the perfect place to start if you're brand new to building Droplet forms. Feel free to build along as we go, and you'll end up with a fully functioning form that you can actually use at the end of this series. Let's dive in. There are a few ways to make a new form, but for this series, we're going to start from scratch. So on the Forms page, click the plus Form button, and then choose Blank. Let's first take a look at its main areas, and in the next video, we'll jump into the actual builder to start creating a form. The top nav bar persists across your entire form building experience. You can get back to the Forms page by clicking here, and edit your form's name here. You can toggle between the Form Builder and the Workflow Builder at the top. As you build, you'll likely pop between these two layers pretty often. This is where you'll eventually publish your form, and more options exist in this three-dot menu. The center of the Form Builder is your form canvas, where you'll lay out all of your form's components. The left panel contains all of the components you can use to build your form. Simply drag and drop them onto your canvas to add them. When you have a component selected, the right panel will display properties so you can fine-tune the component, like its label, width, settings, and rules. Click on Visibility to indicate which parts of your form should be editable, read-only, or hidden at different workflow steps. We're going to come back to this in more detail later on. Speaking of workflow steps, toggle to the workflow side to map out how each submission should move from start to finish. Here you'll create steps, assign reviewers, and set rules on how submissions should flow through the steps. You'll also add your own email notifications that are sent when a submission moves from one step to the next. While we're here, I want to highlight an important tool that we'll dive deeper into later in the series, the test panel. Form and workflow side by side. This is a really powerful way to simulate real submissions and ensure that your form is behaving exactly how you want it to. So that's the really high-level overview. Now let's make a real form. Click the link in the notes below to get to the next video where we'll make a reimbursement request form. We'll see you over there.